Thank you. I'm Mr. Lehner. Welcome back to Mr. Lehner's Math Extravaganza. And today I'm sporting my Prairie basketball wear. And today we're going to learn how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. Let's stop chit-chatting. Let's get right into it. When adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators, you add or subtract the numerators and then simplify your fraction. Your denominators will stay the same until that final step, when I simplify my fraction. When I'm adding these fractions, let's take a look at this first example. 1/9 plus 5/9 would equal 6/9. My denominators, the number on the bottom, stays the same. My numerators I add together, 1 plus 5 equals 6, and I get 6/9. Then I must simplify my fraction. When I look at 6/9, I have to realize that the number 3 goes into both. 3 goes into 6 2 times, 3 goes into 9 3 times, so my final answer for this problem is 2/3. Let's look at a subtraction problem. If I have 7 over 8 minus 5 over 8, again, my denominator stays the same. 7 minus 5 becomes 2, so my answer is 2/8. I know that I can simplify this answer. Something that I always tell students to do, or tell you guys what to do, is to always try 2, 3, 5, and 7 when simplifying. I know these are both even numbers, so I know at least 2 will go into them. So I can divide each one by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. My final answer is 1/4. Don't forget that final step. Always check that fraction to make sure it's in simplest form. Let's try a little bit of a harder problem. If I have 4/7 plus 6/7, again, I'm going to add my numerators. 4 plus 6, which is 10. My denominator stays the same at 7. And my problem's done, right? That's right, you got it. I need to change that. What do we call that again? An improper fraction. 10 over 7 is an improper fraction. I must turn it into a mixed number. So I say to myself, to do this, how many times will 7 go into 10? 7 will go into 10 one time. There's 3 left over. So 10/7 becomes 1 whole and 3 over 7 left over. I know that my answer is in final simplest terms because 3 and 7 are in simplest terms. Alright, time to get out that paper and pencil. This is your guys' problem. Go ahead and pause this video, try this one at home, and let's compare our answers. Okay, in this problem, I have 9/10 minus the 3/10. Again, I'm going to do my 9 minus 3, which is going to be 6. The 10 stay the same, so I have 6/10. They're both even numbers. I know I can simplify. So I know that 6 can be divided out by 2, which is going to be 3. 10 divided by 2 becomes 5. My final answer is 3/5. Okay. Let's have you guys try another problem. Go ahead and pause this video again, and I want you to try 5/6 plus 5/6. In this problem, we're going to do the same thing. Let's add our numerators. 5 plus 5 is going to be 10. 6 remains the same. So 10 over 6. I know that 6 goes into 10 one time. There's 4 left over. My denominator stays the same. This, however, is not the final answer. I can simplify again. I know that 4 over 6 can be simplified. My whole stays the same. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So my final answer for this problem is 1 2/3. Again, if you did these problems correctly, congratulations, awesome job. Give yourself a nice pat on the back. If you were struggling with these, try some other practice problems in our book and work with these, and we'll see if we can get better at them. Thank you for tuning in to another wonderful episode of Mr. Lehner's Math Extravaganza, and as always, we'll see you next time.